Natural Disasters Quiz SOC Science Challenge. Welcome back to SOC Science, where we turn science into fun challenges. Today's quiz is all about natural disasters, volcanoes, earthquakes, storms, and tornadoes. Before we start, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a science quiz. Let's test your knowledge of Earth's most extreme forces. Let's start with some basic disaster science. Question 1. What is the molten rock beneath the Earth's surface called? A. Lava. B. Magma. C. Ash. D. Basalt. And Magma is molten rock beneath the Earth's crust, while lava is what it's called when it reaches the surface. Question 2. What is the scale used to measure the strength of earthquakes? A. Fujita scale. B. Richter scale. C. Beaufort scale. D. Saffir-Simpson scale. And B. Richter scale. The Richter scale measures earthquake magnitude, while the Fujita scale measures tornado intensity. Question 3. Which type of storm forms over warm ocean waters and can reach wind speeds over 74 miles per hour, 119 kilometers per hour? A. Tornado. B. Blizzard. C. Hurricane. D. Thunderstorm. And C. Hurricanes, also called typhoons or cyclones, form over warm ocean waters and can cause massive destruction. Question 4. Which of the following is not a type of volcano? A. Shield. B. Composite. C. Stratocumulus. D. Cinder cone. And C. Stratocumulus is a cloud type, not a volcano. C. The eye is the calm, clear center of a hurricane, surrounded by the violent eye wall. Question 6. Which U.S. state has the most tornadoes per year? A. Florida. B. Texas. C. California. D. Nebraska. And B. Texas sees the most tornadoes per year, with an average of 132 per year. Now, let's dive deeper into disaster science. Let's dive deeper into disaster science. Question 7. What type of fault causes earthquakes when two tectonic plates slide past each other? A. Normal fault. B. Strike-slip fault. C. Reverse fault. D. Subduction fault. And B. Strike-slip fault. The San Andreas Fault in California is a famous strike-slip fault where plates grind past each other. Question 8. What is a tsunami? A. A massive underwater volcano. B. A giant wave caused by earthquakes or landslides. C. A type of hurricane. D. A high-speed underwater current. Answer. B. A giant wave caused by earthquakes or landslides. Tsunamis form when underwater earthquakes displace large amounts of water, creating deadly waves. Question 9. What is the difference between a hurricane, a typhoon, and a cyclone? A. Their wind speeds. B. Their size. C. Where they form. D. The type of destruction they cause. And C. Where they form. These storms are the same but have different names. Hurricanes Atlantic and Eastern Pacific, typhoons Western Pacific, cyclones Indian Ocean. Question 10. What is the superheated gas and ash cloud that erupts from a volcano called? A. Lava flow. B. Pyroclastic flow. C. Ash cloud. D. Lahar. And B. Pyroclastic flow. A pyroclastic flow is a fast-moving, deadly cloud of gas, ash, and rock from a volcanic eruption. Question 11. What is the fastest wind speed ever recorded in a tornado? A. 150 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour. B. 220 miles per hour, 354 kilometers per hour. C. 318 miles per hour, 512 kilometers per hour. D. 400 miles per hour, 644 kilometers per hour. Answer. C. 318 miles per hour, 512 kilometers per hour. The highest wind speed ever recorded in a tornado was 318 miles per hour in Oklahoma, 1999. Question 12. Which volcanic eruption caused the year without a summer in 1816? A. Mount St. Helens. B. Krakatoa. C. Mount Tambora. D. Vesuvius. And C. Mount Tambora. Mount Tambora's 1815 eruption threw so much ash into the air that global temperatures dropped, causing a year without summer. Now, let's see if you're a disaster expert. Question 13. What is a volcanic mudflow called? A. Lahar. B. Ashfall. C. Tephra. D. Debris flow. And Lahar. A lahar is a fast-moving, deadly mix of water, ash, and volcanic debris. Question 14. Which storm category has the strongest winds on the Saffir-Simpson scale? A. Category 3B, Category 4C, Category 5D, Category 6. C. Category 5. Category 5 hurricanes have winds over 157 miles per hour, 252 kilometers per hour, and cause catastrophic damage. Question 15. What is the deepest earthquake ever recorded? A. 50 kilometers, 31 miles. B. 200 kilometers, 124 miles. C. 600 kilometers, 373 miles. D. 900 kilometers, 559 miles. Answer: C. 600 kilometers, 373 miles. Some earthquakes occur in subduction zones, where one tectonic plate slides deep under another. Question 16. What is the difference between a tornado and a waterspout? A. Waterspouts don't touch the ground. B. Waterspouts form over water. C. Tornadoes spin clockwise, waterspouts spin counterclockwise. D. Waterspouts are made of rain and B. Waterspouts form over water. Waterspouts are tornadoes that form over water but can move onto land. Question 17. What is the Ring of Fire? A. A chain of active volcanoes around the Pacific Ocean. B. A deadly hurricane zone. C. A famous earthquake fault in California. D. A type of lava and A chain of active volcanoes around the Pacific Ocean. The Ring of Fire has 75% of the world's volcanoes and 90% of its earthquakes. Question 18. Which natural disaster can trigger the most others? A. Tornado. B. Hurricane. C. Earthquake. D. Wildfire. And C. Earthquakes can trigger tsunamis, landslides, and even volcanic eruptions. How did you do? Share a score in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting quizzes from SockQuest. See you next time.